Leaked details about NVIDIA's RTX 5060 have surfaced, and this could be a big release for mid-range graphics cards. Expected to launch in early to mid-2025, the RTX 5060 is built on NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture. It's rumored to include 4,608 CUDA cores, 8 GB of GDDR7 memory, and a 128-bit memory bus. These features offer a clear improvement over the RTX 4060. The clock speeds are reported to be up to 2,520 MHz, with a total power usage of about 160 watts. This makes it efficient and powerful. What's even more exciting is the focus on artificial intelligence. The RTX 5060 is expected to support NVIDIA's latest DLSS version 3.5. This AI-driven technology improves frame rates and enhances graphics quality even in demanding games. Features like ray reconstruction and upscaling make gaming look and feel smoother without requiring an expensive high-end card. This card isn't just for gamers. AI performance enhancements mean the RTX 5060 could also be great for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or machine learning. It's designed to handle these jobs efficiently, making it a solid choice for both work and play. Although no official images have been released, early renders suggest a dual-fan cooling system for better airflow and heat control. If true, this would match NVIDIA's trend of designing compact and efficient cards. Pricing is still unknown, but if NVIDIA offers it at a competitive price, the RTX 5060 could be one of the best mid-range options available. Remember, this information is based on leaks, so keep an eye out for official updates. Let me know your thoughts on these details, and don't forget to check back for more news.